Hello guys, welcome to my channel Engineer Burma, and in this video we will learn about DNS in Cisco Packet Tracer. DNS stands for Domain Name Service. Okay, so we will see how to implement DNS in Cisco Packet Tracer. For implementing it, we will take two network which will be connected with two different router, and for each network we will take few and devices. In one network we will put one server, and in another network we will put only PCs, and we will connect these PCs and server with the specific switch. Okay, now we had put the corresponding switch for each network. Now we connect it with automatically choose connection type. Okay, we had connected it. Now it has been connected. PC 0 and PC 1, and let's connect server and PC 2 with switch 1, which is another network, and switch 1 with PC 3. Okay, so for this network we'll put the IP address 192.168.1.0. This is going to be IP address, and for this network it is going to 192.168.2.0. Okay, this is the net, and for this we will put the IP address which is going to be our DNS address as well. So it is going to be 192.168.1.10. Okay, this is the DNS address, and here it is going to be 192.168.1.2, and this one is going to be 192.168.1.3. Okay, for this it is going to be 192.168.2.2, and for this 192.168.2.3, and for this the gateway address is going to be 192.168.1.1, and for this it is going to be 192.168.2.1. okay, now okay, we had done. Now click on PC 0, go to desktop. We have to put them manually. So 192.168.1. It is going to be 2, and let's copy this part. Okay, now put it here, and this is going to be our gateway address, and our DNS address will be 10. Okay, it's done. Now come to this PC desktop, this, and this. Okay, it is going to be 3, and it is going to be 1, and it is going to be 10. Okay, now it's done. Now come to server 0, desktop IP configuration. Here it is going to be something, not something, it is going to be 10 as per the DNS address we will putting. Okay, now it is 1. Now go to services. Here you will find the option of DNS, and here put any URL, support www.example.com. This is the domain name which you are putting. Address is going to be the address which I was telling, and add it and turn this service on, and make sure that your HTTP service also on. Okay, perfect. We have done this. Now we have connected with this network with gigabit Ethernet 000 with this router. So we have to go on the interface gigabit Ethernet 00. Now put the gateway address over here, and now turn it on. Here the gateway address is going to be it is going to be 2.1, and turn it on as well. Okay, now we have to set up this PC for this network. Okay, now put this. It is going to be 2.2, and it is going to be 2.1, and it is going to be 10. Okay, because DNS server address is 192.168.1.0, which exists in 192.168.1.0 network. Okay, now we had put this. Now go to PC 3. Now come here, desktop, and terminal, not in terminal, we have to go to IP configuration. Now over here it is going to be 2.3. It is going to be 2.1, and now it is going to be 2 not 2.1, it is going to be 1.10. Okay, DNS address. Okay, we had set up all the devices and all the networks we had set up, and you can see all the arrows which is showing here are green. Now if you click on PC 0 and go to web browser and let it be open first. Okay, it has been. Now put the address first, 192.168.168.1.10. This is the address. If I press it, you can see the HTML code over here, this HTML page, which is coming from, where it is coming from, let me show you. It is server 0. Okay, now you will come to HTTP. Now you can see this index file over here. Okay, this is the index file where you can click on edit. After clicking on edit, you can see these many things over here. Okay, so if I remove them, suppose if I remove them, let's remove them and just put it over here, h1's something. Okay, now let's put here h1, close this as h1, and hi, this is DNS lecture. Okay, now save the changes. Okay, we had save the changes. Okay, now it has been saved. Now click on PC 0, IP config not on IP configuration, go to the web browser, and after going to web browser, now put 192.168.1.10. now go. You can see it is showing hi, this is DNS, which, like, you can see where it come from. So if we put DNS over here, so what was the DNS? I think it was www.example.com something. Was it this one? Yeah, this one. Okay, you can see this is okay. If you go in this network and go to the web browser, okay, this is the web browser of PC3, and if you search for www.example.com and if you click on go, it is not showing. Okay, it is showing. It has been take some time, and now it is showing you hi, this is DNS lecture. So this is how you implement DNS in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, that was it for this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.